Okay, so I got this hub off. I found out why we couldn't seat the hub and the bolts were loose. So there's a plastic sleeve here that was supposed to be removed. It was never removed, and that ended up coming a spacer for the hub. There's also a second piece of plastic that doesn't belong in here, which is a protective sleeve for the tone wheel in the hub bearing. That's all messed up. That doesn't belong there. It's behind the sensor because the sensor was replaced at some point when trying to do the diag for the ABS light. This was also aligned after the hub was put on in the wrong position, so that alignment is now invalid. It will need a fresh alignment. And there we are.